Good evening, YouTubers. This is my technique for putting oil in my chainsaw. Punch a couple little holes in there in your top of your big gallon can. It's cheaper if you buy it by the gallon. And put it in a little soap squeeze bottle, and you can just flick this up here and shoot the oil into your chainsaw a lot easier and neater. And if you want to pour it into another little guy like this here, you line up the hole with that there. Of course, you don't do it when you're holding the camera, but I don't feel like getting the stand out here. Yeah. All right. Too lazy to get the stand. I paid the price. You talk about a dumb bastard in action. We got it. All right, there we go. That's how you do it. It's a lot easier without holding the cell phone trying to do it too. All right, I'm not going to go any further with this. But you keep your quicker picker up or used rag around here, made from recycled undies. Cap on, oil in, good to go. God bless the tubers. Don't be an oily, messy slime like me.